Hey guys, did you know you can control your laptop directly from your mobile phone? Let me show you how to do it step by step. Step 1. On your laptop, go to Google and search Chrome Remote Desktop. Open the Chrome Web Store and add the extension. Step 2. Open the extension, click Access My Computer. Then install the Chrome Remote Desktop app. Accept and install the MSI setup file. Give your PC a name and set a secure PIN. Now on your mobile, open Play Store and install Chrome Remote Desktop. When you open it, you'll see your PC's name. Just tap it, enter your PIN, and boom, your mobile is now controlling your laptop. So you can also type in PC using mobile keyboard. It's super handy, right? If you found this useful, hit subscribe and tap the bell for more quick tech tips.